Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually use a BPMN diagram like this and build a really automated workflow that actually runs and works. And that's quite simple. So let's go through this in this video pretty briefly. So what I did is I built a BPMN diagram, and let's say the use case is the following. You want to build a workflow for your business or for your employer, whatever, that every 5 minutes you want to get the news feeds. Let's say there are 5 feeds you want to subscribe to, you want to scrape through, and after you have after this is done, you want to process these feeds. And whenever in any feed there is something relevant for your company, whatever relevant means, this is what you can define with an AI agent, then you want to get a WhatsApp message. And if not, of course you don't. And that's quite simple here. So that's the BPMN diagram. As you can see, every step, every task here has the symbol of a service task, so it's fully automated. And this here, of course, is a sub call like this. And let me show you how I did this actually. Drawing a BPMN diagram is one thing, but how do you actually make it work and really running? And for this, I used a tool called n8n. It's a workflow engine where you can automate workflows. And this is how it looks like here. So what I have in the beginning is a trigger, and this is a timer event like I have here. Every 5 minutes, this job is running. And what it does is it's catching or scraping a couple of news feeds I have defined. These one are pretty interesting in Switzerland. And after all these are scraped, I have a sub process, which is actually here they're modeled as process feeds. How does it look like? It looks like this. Again, it has a start, it has an AI agent connected. In this case, it's with OpenAI. And what I'm doing here is just asking OpenAI or ChatGPT, is there anything relevant for the company XYZ? So this is defined, predefined. And if there is anything relevant, I can show you this here. What I do is I have a certain required specific output format, and the output format is a JSON. So actually this here, so please don't wonder it's written in German, but that's okay. So actually every time ChatGPT is analyzing the feed, it's actually creating a JSON object with 3 attributes. The first one is critical. So is this feed, whatever they are going through, a critical content, yes or no? Then I have the link of this newsletter or whatever it is, so I can actually send it to my WhatsApp and click on it. And also have a summary, so just a 1-sentence summary what this is about. And also I have the reason why ChatGPT thinks this is not relevant. This is good for debugging later. And after the AI agent is going through this feed, like I said, I have this JSON, and here in the switch, I'm actually asking for the JSON, whatever came back. What I'm looking for is this critical false or true? If it is false, I don't do anything, I just skip it. And if it's true, I actually send a WhatsApp message to my phone, to my number. So let's run this process here to show you this. So I'm executing it right now. So what you can see is all these feeds are called. Like the first feed has 10 items, the second one has 27 items, about 40 items, 10 here, and about, what do we have here on the bottom? It's still loading, 50 items. So all these items, like more than 100 items were like gathered, and the workflow is done. So right now 140 items approximately are processed, and I also got a WhatsApp message right now. Actually, let me see how many WhatsApp messages I got. It's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 messages I have got. Genau. Exactly, that's the 5 here. And as you can see in executions, you can see actually how these things were running. So this case, for example, is a positive case. You can see the sub process was started and it evaluated to true. So it is critical. So I got this message received here. And other processes or other instances, you see it's false because there's no true evaluated. So I didn't receive this message. And yeah, that's pretty simple. Like every 5 minutes, my bot here or my workflow, like which I've modeled here in the beginning in BPMN, is now doing this for me. So actually there is a tool right now where you can build workflows, and you just don't model things as a diagram, you actually also build them, which is pretty cool. And I think you would benefit from this, so I wanted to share this video with you.